image of a strong worker, with a long saw, performing the task of sawing a giant perennial tree creates an impressive and challenging scene. An old tree with a diameter of about 300 centimeters is a significant challenge. And this worker is facing a difficult but also very important task. With a long saw, he must demonstrate great technique and strength to slowly saw off the tree, while making sure that the process is done safely. The task of these two workers is not only to saw the tree but also to choose the location and direction of the tree to fall, to ensure safety and efficiency during the work process. Close cooperation between them is important to ensure that tree felling occurs quickly. The sound of sawing and tapping of wedges echoed throughout the area. These sounds were not only symbols of dexterity and strength but also demonstrated the strength and technique of the craftsman.
Okay, birdies, vacate.
The task of these two workers is not only to saw the tree but also to choose the location and direction of the tree to fall, to ensure safety and efficiency during the work process. Close cooperation between them is important to ensure that tree felling occurs quickly. The sound of sawing and tapping of wedges echoed throughout the area. These sounds were not only symbols of dexterity and strength but also demonstrated the strength and technique of the craftsman.
Yeah, you already got it almost buried.
After a long time, the tree still refused to fall, but the two workers did not accept defeat. They continued to actively do their work, putting in each sawing session and each wedge tapping session without stopping. Their movements became regular and synchronized, like a constant song marking time and effort. Finally, with the strength of consensus and professional techniques, the tree finally accepted its fate and tilted to the ground, creating an impressive image. This treacherous road is not just a challenge but rather a dramatic and dangerous challenge. Facing the rugged and rocky mountain terrain, the blue abyss extends infinitely below. And the silence here is broken only by the echo of the wheels. Not every logging truck dares and has enough ability to face this dangerous road. This is not just a road, but a test of the driver's dedication and driving skills. Every step along this path is a new challenge, a battle with deep abysses and high mountains. With complex terrain and extremely high danger, logging trucks are not only means of transportation, but also brave warriors who cope with difficulties and defeat risks. They not only needed patience and technique, but also courage and determination to bring thousands of tons of wood through this arduous path. This proves that, in addition to being drivers, they are also soldiers with not easy, but meaningful and important tasks in the transport and forestry industries. Not every logging truck dares and has the ability to face the challenges posed by this dangerous road. This is not just a road, but a test of the driver's dedication and driving skills. Not only the steepness and roughness of the road, but also going through curves is a particular challenge. Drivers must demonstrate refined driving skills to negotiate these curves safely and efficiently. Presumably, these are drivers with experience and patience in facing such exceptional conditions. The driver of this yellow tractor-trailer is truly an artist of the road. He knows how to combine the power of the engine and the sophistication of driving techniques to overcome difficult turns on the road. In his hands, the car becomes a piece of art, a moving canvas on a challenging road. With a striking yellow color amidst the mountain and forest landscape, the car becomes like a light source in the middle of a natural painting. With concentration and precise steering, the driver makes the tractor become strong and stable every time it moves through a bend. Finally, thanks to his rich experience, he escaped the difficult turns of this road. This is not only a personal victory for the driver, but also a testament to the talent and professionalism in the wood transport industry. Drivers overcame tough challenges to bring thousands of tons of wood to their destinations safely and successfully. This modern wooden slat factory is not only a place of production, but also a wonderful picture of the blend of technology and art. Their input begins with arranging the logs to look beautiful and convenient for later work. Once delicately sorted, the logs are pushed into the peeler, where they will undergo a cleaning process and remove the surface bark in preparation for the next steps. Immediately after that, they are fed directly into the cutting machine, where the cutting position is decided to create wooden bars with the exact size and shape required. Equally important is the wood drying process, an indispensable step to ensure the quality of the final product. This helps prevent warping and termites, while ensuring that the wooden bar achieves maximum durability and stability. Once the drying process is complete, each slat will undergo a series of careful quality checks to ensure that it meets the highest standards. Qualified slats will continue to the processing stage pack. Meticulous care at every step has helped this mill become one of the leading slat production centers in the world. Welcome to IFG Grangevel, a wonderful tour that takes you into the wonderful world of slat manufacturing. Known for its modern and advanced manufacturing processes, IFG Grangevel is an attractive destination for those who want to understand how wood from trees becomes high-quality products. The tour starts from the stage of arranging and preparing the logs, where careful and delicate selection is made from the very beginning. You will see modern machinery put into use to process wood, from peelers to precision cutters, creating wooden bars of perfect size and shape. Selected logs will be put on the conveyor belt and moved straight into the extremely modern sawing machine. Here, the logs will be cut according to preset sizes according to the standards desired by the factory as well as customers. The saw will be adjusted to ensure accuracy and uniformity, creating the final products meet high-quality requirements. Exactly. After the log has been sawed into relatively large wooden panels, they will be sent through the conveyor belt to another sawing machine to continue the processing process. This saw is designed to produce smaller and standard-sized wooden bars as required. The technical staff at IFG Grain Jevel will ensure that each panel is precisely sawn and of high quality, meeting the highest quality standards. This process is not only a next step in the production chain, but also an important part of optimizing material use and creating final products that bring the best value to customers. The combination of modern machinery technology and professional skills of the team of experts and technicians at IFG Grain Jevel not only helps optimize output but also ensures high quality of each product. Machinery plays an important role in performing processing steps quickly and accurately, helping to minimize dependence on labor and at the same time increase production capacity. IFG Grain Jevel's drying plant is a key place in the production process, where high technical care and advanced technology are applied to ensure that the wood achieves the highest stability and quality. This wood drying process not only helps prevent termites, but also prevents warping and other moisture-related problems. By carefully controlling the drying process, IFG Grain Jevel ensures that each piece of wood ends up and have good stability and quality, meeting the highest quality requirements in used applications. Next, the strict quality inspection process is an important step to ensure that each wooden bar meets the highest quality standards before leaving the factory. At IFG Grain Jevel, this may include testing for size, durability, moisture content, and other criteria related to the product's end use. Implementing strict quality testing not only ensures that the final product meets technical requirements but also helps ensure uniformity in product quality. This is important for applications using wood where the accuracy and reliability of the wood slat is important. Wooden bars that have gone through the processing and quality inspection process will be carefully packaged to ensure safety during transportation and storage. The packaging is done strictly to prevent any damage that may occur during transportation. This tour is not only an opportunity to gain insight into modern technology, but also to witness the ingenuity and workmanship of the team working at IFG Grain Jevel to improve the quality of its products in the woodworking industry.